Hey, this is Mr. Kuchma with a fun update about StudyForge for my hybrid math courses. So I teach Workplace Math 10 hybrid, Apprenticeship Math 12 hybrid, Workplace Math 11 hybrid, and Literacy Foundations of Math Level 5 hybrid. And I was just told today by our StudyForge team that you guys now have free access to StudyForge without having to pay for the subscription. So literally just as of today, I learned this, which is very, very exciting. So I want to show you how to quickly access this if you'd like to. So we will click on the link and I will show you how to use StudyForge. The one thing that's kind of weird about StudyForge is that when you are initially popped into here, it will automatically add you alphabetically into Apprenticeship and Workplace Math 10. Now, this is an old course that is no longer taught. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to navigate to a different course, okay? So if you click on that link, it's going to go to Current StudyForge Courses, and you'll be able to see Workplace Math 10 there. You'll be able to say Workplace Math 11 there. And then if you scroll down to other StudyForge courses, you can go to Literacy Foundations of Math Level 5, and you can watch videos there. So I'm going to just quickly show you a couple things. Let's go into Literacy Foundations Level 5. You can see that there's a chapter, there's 12 chapters. Some of them are big, some of them are shorter. But what's really nice about StudyForge is if we go into a chapter, it'll be broken down into lessons. And if we click on a lesson, this is what StudyForge is going to look like. Number one, when you first log in, you are going to have this Adobe Flash annoyance that says that you can't view the video. So in Google Chrome, you have to go up to the top. Please use Google Chrome. I don't know how to do this in Safari or Firefox. But if you go here, and instead of having Flash ask as your default, you want to click Allow. When you do that, I think it'll restart. Need to restart the page, refresh the page. I believe so. And then you'll be able to, but it's going to bring me back to here. Okay, well, let's go into a course. I'm going to go to Workplace Math 11 this time. Probability coins. Cool. Okay, so now that I've turned on my Flash, I can watch the videos. I'm not going to right now. You guys can do this, but there's going to be lessons that will help you with different things. As you can see on this left side, there's multiple videos. So once you finish the first video, there's a second video, a third video, and a fourth video. This is the same for all courses. And the lesson videos are really helpful. Another great tool are these practice questions underneath. So if you open up a practice question, it's going to say, what is a binomial event? It's going to have an answer. How do you find expected values? Okay, actually, this is not a good example. Let me go to a harder question. Let me scroll down, see if I can get a big one. Here's one that I've helped a student with. Okay, so, let's go back. Oh, it's got the whole preview there. Okay, so let's say we're looking at a question and it's asking you to do something, looking at the expected value. What's nice is if you're doing a question, okay, and you're trying to figure something out, this is just for practice. But if you're trying to figure out the answer and you don't get it wrong, you do get it wrong, you don't get the question correct, you can click on this orange solution button and it's going to take you through the steps to get the right answer. It's going to show you what you need to do in order to do that. I'm going to go just to a Workplace Math 10 example as well. So let's say we're working through trigonometry, you're solving triangles, and you want to learn a little bit more, you can go to a practice question, and it's got a little thing here. What's great is you can actually bring this over here, and if you're pretty good with using your mouse, you can try to find, okay, h is equal, actually it's more going to be like sine 35 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is 2.5, and you go from there. So if you're trying to work through this, you don't get the right answer, or maybe you're just not sure how to get the right answer, you can click on the solution like I said, and this one will actually have each step laid out. and you can go all the way through to find out the height of this mountain. So StudyForge is honestly just a great tool. There's really great abilities to go through the videos and watch them. And in addition to that, you have the opportunity to do all these practice questions. None of this is for marks. It's just all for help. The one thing that I would say is if you're in Apprenticeship Math 12, you might need to come and meet with me because Apprenticeship Math 12, I think that's this course. StudyForge is a little bit different. There's actually no course built for you, so I've got to show you where to find helpful videos. But honestly, having this free StudyForge subscription is probably going to really help you out if you want to get some additional help. And yeah, pop into my office hours through Zoom if you want to get some help with this. And I hope you have a great day. Enjoy StudyForge and take care.